Hey there, welcome to Learn Blues Harmonica in 30 Days, Day 4. Today we're going to learn specifically about the one hole blow and the one hole draw, how to do one note at a time. Click that subscribe button, hit like. If you haven't got a harmonica yet, there is a link to my Amazon influencer page down in the description that has a link directly to an East Top blues harmonica in the key of C. That's the one that you're going to want to get for this. It's the one that I'm using right now. It's my preferred harmonica at the moment. All right, go down there, click on that, follow along, pick it up. It shows me that it's going to be there next day for me where I'm at. That might be different for you, but hey, you might have this. You might be able to have this tomorrow for the next video. All right. So let's talk about the one hole. One hole is a little bit of a challenge when you get started. All right. You're going to want to, when you put your mouth on it, you're going to want to. But really, the one hole is about the shape of your lips. All right. You're going to get right in there like this. All right. And you're going to try and make yourself that little O with your lips. All right. If you're doing that, if you got your mouth like that, you will be able to get those. You will be able to get that single note. Once again, it's like that. And when you put your mouth up to the harmonica, you're not going to be like, okay, you're wrapping those lips around the harmonica. All right, that is your one hole blow and your one hole draw. It is, I'd like to say it's that simple, but it's not. It takes a little bit of work. To be honest, I spent about a week trying to figure out my one hole blow and one hole draw when I first started doing it. And I learned the mouth position from Adam Gusso. Adam, thank you for still being out there on YouTube doing harmonica stuff. Really do appreciate you. But yeah, you just stick with doing that. And you will be able to get those one holes for the most part. Nice thing about doing the one hole like that too is that you can kind of discreetly get all the different notes. You can go all over the place, and as long as you got that mouth shape correct, you are going to be blowing one hole. Now, there are multiple holes that you can do, stuff like that as well. But for right now, we're just going to work on that one note. And here's the thing. If you slip off of it and hit multiple notes, it's not that big of a deal. You don't have to be perfect. You missing just doing a single hole at a time doesn't make it bad music. It makes it dirty blues. So just be a little bit dirty with it. That's fine. See? That's all you need. All right. Now, if you have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below. Once again, hit that subscribe button. Join me all month. We're going to be doing downloads and things like that. So also, you are going to want to sign up for my email. That's at countzeroblues.com. Go to countzeroblues.com and sign up from the email. You should be getting stuff in the email that I'm going to be sending out that's going to be helpful during this month. All right. If you would like to donate, I would love to get some help as I'm doing this. You can donate at thejukejoint.countzeroblues.com. And like I said, I do have other things coming. I'm going to be sending downloads. I'm going to be sending links to stuff. And there's things that you can only get through that email. All right? If you need anything, once again, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer the questions for you. And you folks have a wonderful, wonderful evening.